Are you looking for the best interactive electronic learning charts? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best interactive electronic learning charts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NUWORD Electronic Interactive Alphabet Wall Chart. The NUWORD Alphabet Wall Chart is an educational toy that can help toddlers develop new skills needed for preschool and beyond. It features an interactive design that allows children to press, listen, and watch, giving them opportunities to explore and manipulate. The cute and colorful design of the chart attracts young children and engages them in fun learning activities. With talking ABCs, 123s, melodious music, and quizzes, kids can learn letters, numbers, word association, and sing and dance along with popular kids' songs. The double-sided design also includes body anatomy and daily wear items for additional educational opportunities. This chart is a great gift for kids ages 3-5 and is safe and easy to use, with environmentally friendly materials and an auto shut-off feature to extend battery life. Number 2. Best Learning iPoster My USA Interactive Map. Best Learning iPoster My USA Interactive Map is an educational toy which is a winner of multiple awards. It is an interactive touch-activated talking USA map for kids which can be used as a colorful playmat or hung on a wall. With over 500 facts about all 50 states, it helps kids learn basic information, climate, general knowledge, and fun facts. The toy develops skills such as music, concentration, earth science, memory, problem solving, geography, and environment. It is intended for preschoolers and early learners of ages 5 and up, and requires 3 AAA batteries included. Number 3. Interactive Alphabet Wall Chart for Kids. The Interactive Alphabet Music Poster is an electronic alphabet wall chart that features a colorful and attractive design to keep your child engaged for hours, while helping them to develop new skills needed for preschool and beyond. It is made of high-quality, non-toxic, and recyclable material, and contains 19 songs to learn letters, numbers, traffic, words, and animals. The chart is easy to use, lightweight, and portable, and can be hung on the wall or placed on a desk table, making it a perfect gift for children aged 1-6 years old. Number 4. Nario Alphabet Wall Chart Learning Poster. The Nario Alphabet Wall Chart Learning Poster is an interactive educational toy for toddlers aged 2-5, offering hours of fun exploration and learning. With colorful, attractive design, children can learn alphabets, words, spelling, and numbers through talking poster quizzes, while the intelligent point reading design cultivates independent learning ability. The upgraded waterproof surface allows for easy use, and it makes a great gift for any occasion. Number 5. Learning Bugs Phonics Talking Poster. The Learning Bugs Press to Learn Phonics Talking Poster is an early education toy that helps stimulate childhood development and foundation for learning to read. With 5 educational modes, including letters, phonics, games, phonics songs, and kids songs, children can learn at their own pace in a fun and interactive way. It helps children understand the alphabet letters and sounds, making learning to read and spell easy. This poster measures 23.4 by 16.5 inches and can be conveniently hung on a wall or door, making it a great space saver. It's perfect for preschool and kindergarten-aged children to get ready for school. Number 6. Just Smarty Alphabet and Numbers Learning Toy. The Just Smarty Alphabet and Numbers Learning Toy is an interactive educational toy that teaches toddlers and preschool children the alphabet, words, numbers, and spelling. It features intuitive fun learning that helps develop new memory skills, spelling, and logic ability needed for preschool and beyond. The toy also includes 9 popular children's songs, making it a musical learning experience. It is a great addition to your child's room decor with its colorful, attractive design and doesn't take up space. The toy comes with batteries and is easy to use, Simply hang it on a wall using the complementary hook where your toddler can reach. With 5 activities to build core skills through fun learning methodologies, it is by far one of the best toddler learning toys on the market. Number 7. Electronic Alphabet Wall Chart for Toddlers. The electronic alphabet wall chart is an interactive educational toy that helps toddlers learn the ABCs, numbers, shapes, colors, and more through songs, sounds, and touch. The poster is lightweight, portable, and easy to hang in a room or take on a trip. The speaker is activated by touching the picture, letter, or number instead of a speaker button. It automatically turns off to preserve battery life. This is a great gift option for kindergarten kids and a perfect educational learning resource for ages 1-6.